Hi, welcome back to NDI Central Live here at NAB 2018, coming to you live from the NewTek booth from the South Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. And we've been seeing a lot of activity here in the NewTek booth. If you're planning on coming down to NAB, make sure you stop by. Again, we're in the South Hall. Visit NewTek, see all the latest innovations from NewTek, as well as the latest developments and products from the exhibitors in the NDI Central Pavilion. And one of those exhibitors is with me right now. We have Yutaka Matsuyama from NIXUS.
Yep.
Welcome. And you have, well, first let's tell us about your company. Tell us about NIXUS.
Yes. NIXUS is the leading software developer for broadcast and post-production industry, offering the highest quality and the most affordable systems to the professional broadcasters in Japan. And our products are used among major television networks, many post-production companies, and TriCast users. Main products are broadcast graphics, nonlinear video editing, live streaming, and projection mapping. And we are the first NDI partner in Japan.
That's right. You've been had NDI for quite some time. Now, you have a graphic system called Celio. Why don't you tell us about that?
Celio is a kind of SDK to create a real-time broadcast graphic system driven by Microsoft Excel. You might have never heard of Excel-based broadcasting system. As long as we searched, it is the only system in the world. With Celio, you can create your own graphic systems, such as sports graphic systems, election system, real-time stock price system, and so on. You create graphics layouts in the designing application, then tag objects such as characters and figures in the layout. After that, using formulas and commands, Excel will update graphic and text content and activate for rendering. The output is then delivered using NDI over IP to use at other NDI-enabled system.
Okay. Well, why don't you tell us some of the features of Celio?
The first thing is the Celio is flexible to create broadcast graphics. It takes lots of money when you order a dedicated software, even a little thing. In such a case, there was never a system that can create content in a short time and few cost, but it is possible with Celio because the workflow to create a content is very simple. There are 3 steps to create content. First, create a design template. Second, create a output control panel on the Excel sheet. Third, link the object of the template with the cell of Excel. That's all. It's very simple. And with other systems, in order to show graphic when the figures or words to output changes suddenly, you had to write a program using a plugin or a scripting language. Using Celio, by just linking the text in a design template with the cells in Excel, you can update your graphics immediately. In addition, while you can create contents easily, you can also create professional level graphics. You can quickly create high quality graphics in fine and detail mode. Those are 2D, 3D motion graphics, text, images, various objects, effects such as edges and gradations. You can create the expressions in the way you like. Dynamic 3D graphics can also be set freely with the dedicated motion window. If you set the 3D motion in the layout, the text or image on it will be altered while that 3D motion is still played. This is the feature of Celio. By the way, last December, Celio was used at the Asia Youth Para Games in Dubai, UAE, hosted by APC. APC is the Asia Paralympic Committee and Dubai Club for People of Determination. In the track and field of this game, Celio presented event names, start lists, athlete introduction and more for the big screen at stadium, TV broadcasting and YouTube live streaming. This made viewers easy to grasp what is going on and made games more attractive and exciting. Celio got good reputation from the user that the system is flexible and our support was good. Okay, let me show you some demo.
Okay. We put it up on the screen here. Okay.
Yeah, when you just click the output button, graphic goes out to the air like this. And if I change text, for example, day 1 is 1000, and click output button again, and text on the air has been changed as information in Excel. And also Excel has a sorting function, and if you click the sort button, you can sort it by the point. And also if you sort A to Z, you can sort by day like this. And you also you can change images, text, color, edge, shadow, effects, show and hide, and more. And if you use motion control window with the template application, rich 3D motion can be created as you like. It's just ordinary Excel sheet, but the graphic just looks like a professional broadcast. So this is the most attractive point of Celio.
Okay, so why are you using Excel?
Using Excel, you not only get a familiar user interface, you also get access to all of Excel's functions for calculating, sorting, and graphing. If you can use VBA, you can do more. For example, you can construct an interface to read external files such as CSV. Besides that, it is good to be able to use various functions as an Excel standard.
Okay, so it makes it very, very easy to use. So
yeah.
Why did you choose NDI?
One of Celio's main concepts is the realization of boundless connectivity. NDI provides many features that Celio alone does not have, such as video switching, live streaming, social media publishing, and 4K switching. It is possible with TriCaster TC1. Celio can output natively to SDI, but we thought using NDI technology was an ideal way to realize its full potential. That's why we choose NDI.
Very good. Well, what type of customers do you see using Celio?
As I explained, Celio is not likely any other graphic generator is in the market. So we want to reach out to those who never used broadcast graphics. That will include local sports events, regional festival, where there's screen, or even YouTubers. Also, Celio will become the tool for starting up for school or signage at public places where there have been pictures but without real-time graphics so far. We are hoping to extend the horizon of the world of broadcast graphics.
Very good. And Celio, of course, is available in the NewTek store.
Yeah.
What is the contents of Celio?
Okay. Yes. The package contains everything you need. The template design are the Excel add-in and the real-time rendering engine, and some samples in there. So you can start to create real-time graphics with them. So right now we are looking for distribution partners and system integrators around the world. So we hope to meet a good partner in NAB.
Very good. Well, you can find out more about Celio by going to NIXUS.tv. That's NIXUS.tv /Celio, CEILO, and or CELIO. Pardon me. So NIXUS/CELIO. And of course, you can also find it in the NewTek store. So just go to the NewTek website and look at the store, and you'll find Celio right there on the main page of the store as well. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Love to see it. Love to see NDI-enabled graphics programs. Stick around. We're going to have more coming up after this break.